Hi, this is for all of you that don't know me. My name is Donald Cochran, and everyone just calls me Dux. This is Dux Mechanical. We got my mate bought me this 1980 motorcycle. He's shovel. He's done a lot of work to it. It's been to a few different mechanics, and it's got a starting problem. Done a bit of work to it. I've reset the timing and that, and today we just want to see how it's going to start straight off the bat. So let's give that a go. Let's just see if it'll start again now, because it's always when they're hot, eh? And they don't want to start. Oh yeah, hey! Let's do that. Let's do it again. Just make sure I'm not fluking it. Oh, baby, right? Oh, yeah. Now that's the shit. Bet you if everybody shoveled started like that, we'd be pretty happy.